What's up guys, Devin Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We got crap literally everywhere. Our hood's up open on the Tacoma. Let me grab you something, show you something. So I got two light bars, two light pods with a bracket that I spent a month on filming a video. It didn't freaking work. So went back to the drawing board and it's gonna come out with another video for that. So that obviously video never came out. Deleted that, scrapped that. Whole month worth. Kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. But we came out with something cooler. I decided to get something else because those other things are gonna take a little while. So, boom, light whip. We gotta build a bracket that's gonna tie into right here on the bed. It's gonna tie in to this tie, so I can just take 4 bolts, boom, boom, boom. It'll bolt to that, easy. These actually run right through the bed, and then they just go up underneath. I'm gonna have to zip tie the module up and out of the way, and then run the wires all the way up to my switch panel. There's only 5 wires total. I need to do so these light whips are super cool. They have lots of different features with them. They're actually Amazon specials, but they it was like 150 bucks for 2 of them, and it's a Bluetooth module, so I can control it from my phone. But they can go off your turn signals. You got to hook up the wire for the turn signals, brake lights, and then you can do the Bluetooth control module and be able to turn anything. Where I'm located in Utah, and every cop that I have talked to, they said they didn't care as long as it's not going between red and blue. So as long as it's not in those colors, then I'm fine. And I was like, okay, well, I want to be in like the orange and purple and pink and green, those colors with it, and flash between those and phase, and I don't know, be weird with it, and get some nice sweet shots. So we got to build those brackets and get this wired, and that'll all be in this video. All right, well, we are back and we got one bracket in. So let me show you it. So it just mounts onto there, but it does get a little bit of flex, not a whole ton. I doubt even you could see it on camera. Not a whole lot, so I'm gonna see how good that works. I'm gonna do it a little differently on the next bracket. I'm gonna suck it in a lot closer right there. Hopefully that gets rid of a lot of the flex, because the further out it is, the more leverage it has, and plus it's a 5-foot whip, and in the wind, who knows what all will happen. So let's get that other bracket built, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. I got that other bracket built and installed as well. So flag's not on. But there's the other mount. It's a lot closer than this one, than the other one. You can't see it when the flags are on, but it's pretty rigid. Let's get the flag mounted. All right, with the flag mounted, there's virtually none. It's pretty much, I think it's all in the bed. It's not really in the mount. So let's go show you from in front of it, and then hopefully I can find someone to help me film some night clips. Oh yeah, she looks sick. Look at that. They're perfectly tall. Looks way better in person. Cameras never do anything, never do justice to anything. So, well, I guess I gotta wire it for next, but they are mounted, so tonight I might just wire so they can get power and I can play with like different colors and modes, and then later wire it so it will work for brake lights and turn signals. It's pretty cool. So let's jump to that, and then I'll probably just jump to driving around or an update of how I wired it. But I got a fuse box. I got a little button thing in the side inside my truck. I forget what it's called. So it'll be easy. Run 2 power and negative to there. Boom, boom, done. It's gonna be like 8 feet of wire. But yeah, so we'll wire this up real quick. All right, so I have pretty much spent all day. Okay, not all day. I was cleaning and doing other stuff. But I did spend this whole morning getting, well, that just sucks. Getting it wired, but this freaking new wire loom, that's this stretch stuff. I got one that is not split, so you still have to stick it in from each end, so you have to have an end on this one. But all my harnesses that I'm building and stuff that I'm going to be using this for, I have that, and this is just better quality material, and I can put lots of different gauges of wire, and you can spread it apart really good to fit lots of wires in it. Today I only put 2 wires in it, and also on the truck I only put the power wires for the 2 light whips so I could get them working. Also on the inside, I gotta show you on the inside of the truck. Well, come on screen. Well, now we have the switch panel and we have 7 empty spots. So now it's time to fill this one up. And we got the switch panel from Oxbean. Came with all these stickers, and it happened to be actually the sticker that's right underneath the other sticker that I used. So we're gonna put the whip sticker in on there, and this mod will be completed for the most part of this video. Now I gotta show you some sweet, fun videos of playing with the light whips, and maybe even when I play with it about tucking them inside the cab or something if they fit or something. I don't know. Pretty much we're gonna go to the B-roll fun part of installing whips. Back again with another update. It's been a few months. I didn't actually ever film the night thing. I tried to get people to go, but didn't work. But that doesn't matter. It's on and it's working clearly, and there's tons of snow all over the truck because it's winter. This was filmed literally the day before this video, 2 days before it goes live. Let me get some cinematic shots in a couple different areas and see what you think. Maybe some slow roller shots. Yeah.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see.
Alright, there's a nice semi. Yeah, that semi sounded pretty good. But yeah, got some B-roll of the light whips. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. Who knows, a couple different locations. I really like this one because I get to flex out. I don't even think this is all the way flexed out. I think there's still more travel in the rear and the front. It doesn't slope up fast enough. The front tire is going to start sloping up if I go any further. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.